Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to see Spotify Wrapped. Let's get started. First, open the Spotify app on your iPhone. At the top of the home screen, you'll see an option for Wrapped. Tap on it. Now, you'll see your 2025 Wrapped. Tap on it to view your listening summary. Once you are in Spotify Wrapped, scroll down. Here you will see how many minutes you listened to Spotify this year. You can also share this on your story by clicking the share option below. Continue scrolling to see how many genres you listened to this year. Next, you'll see what your top genres were. Then you'll see your listening age, which shows what generation your music taste matches. Scroll further to see how many songs you listened to this year. Now you'll see your top song of the year. Below that, you'll see a list of your top 5 songs. Keep scrolling to see how many albums you listened to this year. Then you'll see your top album of the year. Continue to see how many artists you listened to this year. Now you'll see your top artists of the year. Below that, you'll see a list of your top 5 artists. Next, this is a personalized message thanking you for listening. Scroll down to see the percentage of global listeners in your club. This shows how you compare to other fans of your top artist. As you continue scrolling, you'll see a poster featuring your top artist, top songs, minutes listened, and top genre. You can select from available poster designs to customize it. You can also share this poster directly to your social media or save it to your device. And that's it. You've successfully viewed your Spotify Wrapped for 2025. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.